Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about 7 dividend stocks. As volatility increases and confidence in the market decreases, investors are moving their asset allocation from growth and momentum stocks to value and stable stocks. The stock price of value stocks do not increase as much as growth stocks, but they are more stable and pay a steady dividend, which is a great source of passive income. First stock is Johnson & Johnson, ticker symbol J&J. Johnson & Johnson provides products in the healthcare field worldwide, specifically in the consumer, pharmaceutical, and medical devices segment. Current price is $138.70. Market cap is $374 billion. PE ratio is 25, and forward PE ratio is 16. All right, let's take a look at the performance. Past week, up 3.61%. Past month, down 2.45%. Past 3 months, up 11.03%. Past year, up 0.03%. And past 5 years, up 73.67%. Dividend yield is 2.59%, which means they are paying investors $3.60 per year, or 90 cents per quarter. Next is AT&T, ticker symbol is T. AT&T provides communications and digital entertainment services, specifically in business solutions, entertainment group, consumer mobility, and international. Current price is $32.86. Market cap is $236 billion. PE ratio is 18, and forward PE ratio is 9. Take a look at the performance. Past week, up 1.77%. Past month, down 3.5%. Past 3 months, up 5.52%. Past year, down 8.19%. And past 5 years, down 6.17%. The dividend yield is 6.08%, which means they are paying investors $2 per year or 50 cents per quarter. This is a solid dividend play. Next is Home Depot, ticker symbol HD. Home Depot operates as a home improvement retailer, selling building materials and various home improvement products, as well as providing installation, home maintenance, and professional services. Current price is $179.85. Market cap is $206 billion. PE ratio is 20, and forward PE ratio is 17. All right, let's take a look at the performance. Past week, down 6.5%. Past month, down 14.88%. Past 3 months, down 10.71%. Past year, up 12.06%. And past 5 years, up 168.16%. Dividend yield is 2.29%, which means they are paying investors $4.12 per year, or $1.03 per quarter. Next is Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or ticker symbol TSM. TSM designs and manufactures integrated circuits and other semiconductor devices. Current price is $38.45. Market cap is $198 billion. PE ratio is 17, and forward PE ratio is 15. Take a look at the performance. Past week, down 2.58%. Past month, down 13.11%. Past 3 months, down 5.81%. Past year, down 2.93%. And past 5 years, up 137.47%. Dividend yield is 3.51%, which means they are paying investors $1.35 per year. Next is Pepsi, ticker symbol PEP. Pepsi operates as a food and beverage company worldwide, with brands including Frito-Lay, Quaker Foods, Pepsi, 7-Up, Aquafina, Mountain Dew, and Gatorade. Current price is $110.04. Market cap is $156 billion. PE ratio is 19, and forward PE ratio is 18. Take a look at the performance. Past week, up 4.6%. Past month, down 4.53%. Past 3 months, down 3.96%. Past year, up 0.5%. In past 5 years, up 53.32%. Dividend yield is 3.36%, which means they're paying investors $3.71 per year. Next is Costco, ticker symbol COST. Costco operates membership warehouses, offering branded and private label products in different product categories. Current price is $229.60. Market cap is $100 billion. P ratio is 34, and forward P ratio is 27. Take a look at the performance. Past week, up 1.34%. Past month, down 2.04%. Past 3 months, up 4.68%. Past year, up 46.03%. Past 5 years, up 122.22%. Dividend yield is 0.99%, which means they are paying investors $2.28 per year. Last but not least is NextEra Energy, ticker symbol NEE. NextEra generates and distributes electric power to retail and wholesale customers in North America and generates electricity through wind, solar, nuclear, and natural gas-fired facilities. Current price is $173.46. Market cap is $82 billion. Forward P ratio is 14 and forward P ratio is 21. Take a look at the performance. Past week, up 2.46%. Past month, up 2.26%. Past 3 months, up 2.48%. Past year, up 15.89%. And past 5 years, up 140.39%. Dividend yield is 2.56%, which means they're paying investors $4.44 per year. That's all for this video. Which stocks are you buying? Comment down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.